Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. We got Caribbean Cream Limited, better known as Creamy in the market here. A dividend consideration coming up. Advisory that at Creamy's board of directors meeting for August 4th, 2022. Dividends will be considered. It should be a good one. Creamy having a little rough time with their bottom line or their profitability, but they always tend to bounce back like some of the bellwethers of the JSE, the stock market. We'll see what happens there. August 4th is the date. Next up, we got JMMB's annual report here. This is for 2022. It's published on the market March 2022. It's headlined by Vision of Love, Mutual Respect. The chairman's statement by JMMB, Mr. Archibald Campbell, it states, funds under management grew by 20% to a whopping Jamaican $363.3 billion. Well done by JMMB. Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, ticker symbol MJE, updated net asset value here to the JSE Jamaica Stock Exchange advisory that the daily net asset value as at July 22nd was just under 17 Jamaican per share, 16.90 to be exact. Overseas markets, jump into US markets. Shopify advises, unfortunately, laying off 10% of global workforce, approximately 1,000 workers. Shopify has approximately 10,000 workers globally overall. Share price falling by more than 15% with the advisory ticker symbol SHOP that will be making this move or laying off approximately 10% of their workforce. Now, Shop, Canadian company, it makes tools for companies to sell products online. You know, they were a major beneficiary of the e-commerce boom due to the pandemic, driven by the pandemic, and the job cuts. The job cuts are due to what Shop is seen as a pullback in online spending. Of course, we're seeing all the signs, all the red flags of an impending recession. We'll see how that pans out there. Last up, we got Alphabet, earnings and revenue surprisingly missing for the second quarter here. Alphabet reported US $1.21 in earnings per share versus expected EPS of $1.28. As a result, you know, and just this whole build up for the year, Alphabet shares are down approximately 25% year to date. What are we seeing? Not just the YouTube numbers, but Google Cloud revenue expectations fell short. US 6.28 billion versus US 6.41 billion. The revenue growth slowed overall 13% in the quarter. And an interesting statistic, just how the whole world has changed, you know, digital economy. Alphabet actually now has 174,014 full-time employees. Huge number, actually up 21% from a year earlier. This is Business Live. Have a fantastic evening. I'm Mark Croskery.